How to make brain to think in English. Why should you learn to think in English? Let's start with a simple truth. Thinking in English is one of the biggest milestones in your language learning journey. Why? Because when you think in English, you no longer have to translate every word or sentence from your native language. You start to speak more quickly and naturally, understand conversations faster, make fewer grammar mistakes, feel less nervous when speaking, enjoy the language like a native speaker does. Think of it this way. Your brain is like a computer. If the system is always switching between two languages, it works slowly. But if the default language is English, everything runs smoother. Your sentences flow. Your confidence grows. It feels good. The good news? Anyone can learn to think in English, even beginners. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary. All you need is a little time, some patience, and the willingness to make English a part of your everyday thoughts. Step 1. Train your brain to notice English. Before your brain can think in English, it needs to feel comfortable with English. So let's begin by surrounding yourself with the language. Think of it like this. If you hear, see, and use English every day, your brain starts to treat it like something normal and familiar. Here's how to create that environment. 1. Change your devices to English. Set your phone, laptop, and apps to English. You'll start seeing useful words like settings, notifications, battery, update without trying. 2. Watch English shows or YouTube daily. Use English subtitles to help you understand. Try watching something you already enjoy: sports, cooking, travel, drama. 3. Listen to English music or podcasts. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is absorbing the rhythm and flow. 4. Read something short in English every day. News headlines, tweets, short blog posts, or simple books. Your brain is like a sponge. It will soak up English if you let it. Step 2. Start with small words and simple phrases. One of the best ways to start thinking in English is by naming the things around you in English. Look around right now. What do you see? Say these out loud or in your mind. Chair, window, phone, light, notebook. Do this whenever you can. If you're cooking, name your ingredients. Salt, oil, spoon, pan. Now add short everyday phrases. I'm hungry. It's raining. I'm tired. Time to eat. You don't need full sentences yet. The goal is to get used to thinking in English with words you already know. Tip: put sticky notes with English names on things in your house. Seeing them daily helps your brain make quick connections. Step 3. Think out loud or quietly about your day. This next step is powerful and simple. You're going to talk to yourself in English, just like a narrator in a movie. You can do it out loud if you're alone, or silently in your mind. Let's say you're getting ready in the morning. Think in English. I'm brushing my teeth. Where is my shirt? I'll make tea today. Later in the day. I need to reply to that email. I'll take a break after this. Let me check my phone. At night. That meeting was long. I'm so tired. I just want to sleep. This is called your internal monologue, the little voice in your head. Try to make it speak English. Step 4. Plan your day in English. This is where you turn your thoughts into productive English. Try these simple things. Write your to-do list in English X. Buy groceries, finish project, call mom. Think about your schedule in English. I have a Zoom call at 2 p.m. Use English when you're planning things in your mind, X. If I leave now, I can catch the 5 p.m. bus. Planning and decision-making are powerful thinking habits. If you do them in English, your brain gets even better at forming sentences naturally. Bonus: try keeping a short diary in English. Even 3 sentences a day can make a big difference. Step 5. Speak to yourself. It's not crazy, it's genius. One of the most effective habits: speak English to yourself. Yes, really, no one has to hear you. When cooking, now I'll cut the onions. Ouch, too sharp. When walking, what a beautiful sky today. When working, okay, focus. Let's finish this task. It might feel funny at first, but it works. You're training your brain to form thoughts quickly in English. Want to level up? Record yourself speaking for 1 to 2 minutes a day. Talk about your plans, how you feel, or what you did today. Play it back to hear your progress. Step 6. Use English in real life, even online. Now that you're thinking in English alone, start using it with others, even just a little. Don't worry if your grammar isn't perfect. The goal is communication. Ways to practice. Join English language exchange apps like Hello Talk, Tandem, Speaky. Participate in online English forums or groups on Reddit, Discord, Telegram. Ask ChatGPT to practice conversation with you anytime. When you speak with others, you stop overthinking. Your brain starts to speak English without permission, and that's exactly what you want. Think of each conversation as a mini gym session for your brain. The more you do, the stronger you get. Step 7. Learn English like a child. Children don't study grammar first. They learn from listening, copying, and repeating. You can do the same. Focus more on understanding and speaking. Learn full phrases, not just words. Use real-life English, not textbook English. For example, instead of memorizing, "To go to the store, I must prepare," just learn what people really say. "I'm going to the store." Over time, your brain will pick up grammar naturally like a child. Step 8. Connect your thoughts with action. Here's a great way to train your brain while doing everyday things. As you do an action, describe it in English. While cooking, "I'm chopping vegetables." While driving, "The traffic is slow today." While cleaning, "This table is so dusty." This forms a strong link between language and experience. That's how native speakers think. They connect words to life, not translations. Your goal: see, feel, and think in English, like you're living in the language. Step 9. Be patient and stay consistent. Let's be honest. Thinking in a new language won't happen in 1 day or even 1 week, but it will happen if you stick with it. Just like going to the gym builds your body, daily language practice builds your brain. Here's what to remember. Don't wait for perfection. Forgive your mistakes. Smile at your progress. Keep going, even when it feels slow. Even 10 minutes of English thinking per day makes a difference. Bonus practice ideas. Here are extra ways to train your brain. Shadowing. Listen to a native speaker, podcast, video, and try to repeat what they say. Immediately. This trains your brain to think and speak at the same speed. Visualize in English. When you imagine a future event, like a trip, describe it in English in your mind. "I'll pack my suitcase. I'll take my passport. I hope the flight isn't delayed." Journaling, write 3 to 5 sentences each day about how you feel, what you did, or what you're looking forward to. This builds fluency in both thinking and writing. Final words, you can do this. Learning to think in English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave, being curious, and showing up every day. Every time you say one word in English in your head, you're making progress. Every time you describe your day in English, you're becoming stronger. Every time you laugh at your own mistake and keep going, you're winning.